Bapak Ibu sekalian, sambutan berikutnya akan disampaikan oleh pimpinan UNESCO Office Jakarta. We kindly invite Professor Sabas Khan, Director and Country Representative UNESCO Office Jakarta, to deliver the speech.
Thank you very much. Very good morning. Salam alaikum. Salamat pagi. I first of all would like to acknowledge the leadership of His Excellency, the Minister of Education and Culture, Pa Nadim Makaram. Also, I want to acknowledge the excellent work of Professor Arif Rahman, the Executive Chairman of the Indonesian National Commission for UNESCO. Also, I want to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Muhammad Ali Ramdani, Director General of Islamic Education, Ministry of Religious Affairs, and also Dr. Ehwan Sahrel, Director General of Teacher and Education Personnel, the Ministry of Education and Culture. This is a very special day, and Ministry of Education and Culture and all of you have joined today to celebrate this World Teachers Day 2020 in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Is really only possible with the excellent work of the National Commission and all of you to contribute to this very important cause. This is not the only event this year. The National Commission has really been very proactive, as well as Ministry of Education and Culture. So I want to also thank them for their celebration of the International Day, which was Literacy Day on the 8th of September 2020, and the national launch of Global Education Monitoring Report 2020 on September 10, 2020, where His Excellency Minister of Education and Culture personally participated and gave our real push during this time of COVID-19. So certainly the situation is difficult. UNESCO has been pushing that education should never stop, especially because there has been more than 1.6 billion students and 63 million primary and secondary teachers who have been affected by this throughout the world. And in this time, we have to find new ways, such as ICTs, and in many places, the infrastructure was not there. So certainly the leadership of teachers to continue education with the lack of technology and connectivity is highly commendable. And this time of crisis, they have managed to keep teaching and learning going. And that's why this year's theme is very, very important. All the teachers are important for the whole society, for the sustainable development goal number 4. If we have to have a sustainable society, the leadership has to come from teachers, which is already there. And there are multitude of issues. Those issues are, of course, first of all, quality education, making sure that we can achieve the 2030 goals. For that, we need leadership from all teachers at all levels in terms of their contributions for remote learning, in terms of their contribution to support vulnerable populations, for reopening schools in a safe way, and to ensure the learning gaps in curricula are being mitigated. So Professor Arif Rahman has given us a very important quote in terms of teaching and learning. For one child, it takes a whole village, and certainly a teacher is really, for us, the representative of the whole society to bring us forward into future, building our resilience, and also making sure we become better professionals in solving the problems of our time, including COVID, and also in terms of creativity and innovation, which can only be instilled into us through the leadership of our gurus, our teachers. And that's why this is not only at the individual level, but at the collective level, the new learning environments and how teachers are standing to the challenge, how they are continuing with the students. This is all really very special. I also want to acknowledge quickly the work of the Ministry of Education and Culture, which is highly appreciated by UNESCO through special programs. The first program is on teacher leadership program. This particular leadership education program for teachers to become learning leaders is very important, and especially with the online training workshops, conferences, mentoring for prospective teachers, leaderships. And the second program, which is about teachers learning program, in which a learning program is designed to help as many teachers and education personnel as possible conducting distance learning according to special conditions such as COVID-19 pandemic. This is very commendable, especially in the context of provision of basic learning for students to do self-learning. And this aspect of Indonesia's continued effort is highlighted in all levels of UNESCO. And making sure that this example is also shared through South-South cooperation. Learning never stops, and teachers are learning themselves and they are teaching to all of us. UNESCO's global education partners are putting more emphasis on education leadership and how teachers, head teachers, principals, and others play very important roles, not only in the learning process at the school level, but also as role models for developing the education related policy. Throughout the world, Teachers Day 2020 is being celebrated uh, by UNESCO and co-convening partners such as the National Commission for UNESCO from Indonesia under the leadership of Professor Arif Rahman and the leadership of His Excellency, the Minister of Education and Culture. So this is very important context which we all need to understand, that the future of education depends on the leadership which comes from teachers, from their knowledge, from their own learnings, and how they can shape the future for humanity and for the planet. So Ministry of Education and Culture and also the Ministry of Religious Affairs and the National Commission for UNESCO have played a very important role today to bring to limelight this important aspect of World Teachers Day 2020 in Indonesia. Teachers leading in crisis, reimagining the future is a very important thing for all of us. So I wish to thank all teachers who have joined us today through Zoom and through live. We appreciate your excellent leadership, and your leadership is important for Indonesia and for the world. For with that, terima kasih. Have a wonderful day, and let's listen to the deliberations today, and we will learn a lot from each other. And certainly, the leadership of teachers will take us towards a better future out of this COVID, but also for a future which we are all dreaming, leaving no one behind. That's the 2030 Agenda and Sustainable Development Goal, quality education for all.